Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into Quadency support video series where we dive deeper into the Quadency dashboard and we take a look at all the different functionalities and bots within the dashboard. Today we're going to be going into the MACD, or the moving average convergence divergence. It's a technical indicator, but before we get there, please make sure you have a Quadency account. Just sign up on quadency.com. Then make sure that you have your exchanges linked to your Quadency account, as well as funds in your Quadency wallet. Your Quadency wallet takes USDC or Quad, and those funds are very crucial to operate these bots because to turn them on, we take a slight fee from those currencies. Now we're at the point where we can dive deep into the bot. So we're going to click on bots here, and we're going to move our mouse over to the available bots. From the available bot screen, you're going to scroll down to the MACD, and you're going to then configure a name for it. We're going to just do BTC MACD. So what's great about this bot is it's an indicator that detects momentum using two different EMAs. So that's very important information to know, sort of like the periods for that. And this bot essentially trades based upon that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to select your exchange that you will be using. In this case, I'll be using Kraken, and then you're going to select the account for it, and then you're going to select the market. We're going to go to the BTC USDT, and then we're going to select the amount of starting capital that we wish to use for this bot. For this bot, we're going to keep it simple, and we're going to do 40 USDT. Then now you're going to scroll down to your strategy settings, and you're going to select your candle time frame. And your candle time frame is sort of the chart time frame that you use to run this bot on. The lower time frames results in more trades than something that would be higher, and vice versa. So for this sake, we want to make it move pretty fast. We're going to go on the 1 minute time frame. Then we're going to go over to our MACD slow period. The MACD slow period specifies the look back period, so the number of bars, so to say, from candlesticks that we use for slow moving average calculation. So in this case, let's do something like 25. We want this to go fast. We'll do 10. And then you're going to have your fast period. So this is to specify the look back period and the number of bars for fast moving average calculations, and we're going to do something like 5. And then you're going to have your signal period, your MACD signal period as the look back period, as so to say your number of bars for your signal line calculations, and we're going to do something like 3 here. Then you're going to have your exit conditions. Your exit conditions come in 2 different types. So you have your first option, which is your profit target or stop loss, which you use to close the position once the profit target or stop loss is reached. Or you can select the second one, which is the indicator confirmation, and you can see down here your profit and risk management disappears if you do the indicator confirmation, and this position should only be closed when MACD crosses below the signal lines that you previously indicated. So we're going to just do here your profit target or stop loss, and we're going to select the profit target and your profit target is the percent profit to close up position. It's important to note it uses a value above 100%. So if you use anything that is above 100%, you can just type it in. So let's say you want a 200%, but that's probably if you're only doing meme coins. Anyways, we're going to do something like 5%, and then you're going to set your stop loss. I think we're all familiar with stop loss, but what percentage? And we're going to do the stop loss of 10%. And now you have it all set in. But once you do that, you hit start live. And then the bot should be up and running. It takes a couple of seconds, but you can see here with the green light that the bot is running. It's going to take a little bit for the screen to come up with all the information. But at this point, you should be ready and good to go and ready to start trading using the Quadency platform. So thank you very much for tuning in and checking out this tutorial on the MACD bot for Quadency, and we're happy to have you on board, and happy trading.